flowers are three types based on the position of gynoecium or ovary on the thalamus. So the flowers are of three types based on the position of gynoecium, position of ovary or gynoecium on thalamus. Here the flowers are hypogynous flowers, hypogynous flower. Second one is perigynous flower. Third one is here epigynous flower. Okay, hypogynous flower. Hypo means below. Here the gynous means gynoecium. So below the gynoecium, the floral parts means the remaining floral parts, calyx, corolla, androecium arise from the below the gynoecium. Here it is thalamus. So on this thalamus, here the ovary or gynoecium is on the top of the thalamus. Here the gynoecium is arranged, and below this thalamus the remaining floral parts are arranged below the gynoecium. Here stamens, petals, sepals. So all the here calyx, corolla, androecium, so all they are arranged or attached or arising from the parts present below the ovary. Only from the here below the ovary all the floral parts are arranged or attached or arising. So it is a hypogynous flower. In the hypogynous flower, the floral parts are, so in respect to the floral parts and ovary, here ovary is superior than the other floral parts, superior ovary. So it is present above the floral parts, remaining floral parts. So it is called as your superior ovary. The ovary is superior. This type of flowers are showing here superior ovary. Flower is hypogynous flower. On the thalamus, here generally the thalamus is convex shaped. On this thalamus, the gynoecium is arranged, and below the ovary, all the floral parts are attached or arising. So that's why the ovary or the gynoecium position is here superior, superior ovary or superior gynoecium. And this type of flowers are observed in here hibiscus. Generally it is observed in the hibiscus. Perigynous flower. Here perigynous means here on the thalamus so it is thalamus. The thalamus is a small plate like structure. On this thalamus the ovary is attached in the basal portion only. Only here it is attached in the basal region, and the remaining floral parts are stamens, petals, sepals arranged or attached on the margins. On the margins or on the rim of thalamus. So here the ovary and the remaining floral parts all are arranged in the same or equal position. So that's why here if you observe the here half of the ovary is inferior. So if we compare these floral parts and the ovary, half of the ovary is inferior, half of the ovary is superior. So here the thalamus is a plate-like structure, ovary is attached in the basal region, the remaining floral parts are attached on the margins or on the rim of thalamus. So comparatively here if we compare the ovary and remaining floral parts, half of the ovary is inferior, half of the ovary is superior. So here ovary is half inferior, half inferior, half superior, half inferior or half superior. So this type of flowers are observed in your Fabaceae members or Leguminaceae family members. Example for this type of flower here, legume plants, legume plant flowers or Pisum sativum. Next epigynous flower. Epigynous flower, here epi means here above the gynoecium. Here the thalamus is it is a deep cup-like structure. It is a deep cup-like structure. In this here the gynoecium or the ovary is completely embedded, and ovary is completely fused with the thalamus. It is completely fused with the thalamus. So it is completely embedded in the thalamus and fused with the thalamus, and remaining floral parts are here attached on the top portion of the thalamus, here above the gynoecium. Here the floral parts are attached here above the gynoecium, means here comparatively ovary and the remaining floral parts, here the floral parts are present. If you compare the position, here the ovary is inferior, below the floral parts, so inferior. So ovary is inferior. Inferior ovary. So if we compare the floral parts and ovary position, ovary is inferior, and here this type of flower is observed in the guava and ray florets of Asteraceae family members, Tridox, Helianthus. So this type of flowers are showing here, this type of plants are showing the here epigynous flower. So here the flowers are of three types: hypogynous, perigynous, epigynous, based on the position of ovary or gynoecium on the thalamus. So here it is a hypogynous flower having the superior ovary, remaining floral parts are attached below the ovary. Here perigynous flower, so the floral parts are attached on the rim of the thalamus. Epigynous flower, in the epigynous flower the floral parts are arranged above the ovary, so epigynous, above the gynoecium. Here all are in equal level, and hypogynous, below the gynoecium. So here based on the position of gynoecium or ovary on the thalamus, floral parts are of three types.